One sushi burrito up.
I'm about grab and go. Grab sushi burrito and go hit the beach.
You're gonna get shrimp tempura, you're getting the ahi poke, a really great sauce that's in there as well. It's delicious.
So everything I love in a sushi roll, but now it's in a burrito.
Yeah.
And this is not the ahi that you get at the grocery store. Look at that. Oh,
That's Kauai cod, baby.
brother. All right, so give me the rundown. How does it all go?
We're gonna make our spicy aioli, Japanese pupae mayo,
Sriracha?
chili oil, lemon juice, sashimi pepper, and a little bit of salt.
Then what is this setup?
So that setup is gonna go on top of the tuna to just give it a little bit more kick. A little bit of sashimi pepper, a little bit more sriracha,
Sesame oil and a little more salt
spice aioli on top.
for the Japanese burrito.
Absolutely.
And then we're gonna break out the Sushi Robot 9000.
10,000. It's the new edition. Rice is already in it.
Cooked sushi rice. Ha
1,400 rolls an hour. Lay the nori, perfect every time.
Huh.
Cut our Kauai shrimp tempura, little surimi crab,
Okay.
fresh ahi tuna, cucumber, the spicy aioli we made earlier, unagi sauce,
When did it become a burrito?
right now,
It's a seaweed tortilla.
and it's ready to roll.
So what you've made is a gigantic,
Maki roll.
as big as a burrito. Now I understand. Took me a while. I dig it. You get the warm shrimp, you get the cold spicy tuna, you get the rice, which I'll say, one of my big fears of any time I see something being automated, especially something as delicate as sushi, is that that rice gets hammered and gets pressed together too much. I think one of the reasons that you wouldn't find people getting sushi to go is it takes forever. So what you have here, someone can order a burger, someone gets a fish sandwich, and someone can get a sushi burrito, and you can be back on the road in 5 minutes.
Right to the beach.
That's a big deal. Well done.
Your sushi burrito.
I love the freshness of the fish, and the sauce is not too overwhelming, just right amount of spiciness.